Today we're making low-carb zucchini pancakes. I took my 2-hour, which is 106. I would be happier if it would be a little lower, but these meters, depending on what kind you have or what brand name. I used to have the Lifestyle, I think it was called, and the readings were always lower on there, but the strips were too expensive. But anyways, let's go on. I've started posting my fasting, which is my 14-hour fast, overnight fast. And then if it's higher than 100, I don't eat until it's at 100 or lower. So then I had the 1 hour of, that's for 2 of these zucchini pancakes. So what did I say? I think I said 106. So the goal should always be to stay under 120, because of 120 is kind of the break-off number. If you go over that, then you're starting to get into dangerous territory with different diseases that can catch up with you. I had cancer. I had to have a full hysterectomy and chemo and radiation, and that includes one of the things that can happen if you have high blood sugars. Okay, let's go to the recipe. Okay, 2 cups grated zucchini. Now I would say that's after you take the water out. You grate it and then you squeeze it as much of the water out as you can and see that you get 2 cups. And then the 1/4 cup fresh grated Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, 2 chopped up green onions, 3 cloves of garlic chopped really small, 4 leaves of chopped basil. If you don't have the basil, you don't need to use it. It's kind of optional. Pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of onion powder, and then the black pepper to taste. And then you mix that and then you fry it in a mixture of butter and olive oil. And let me just show you. I think there's 2, 4, 5, 8 on there, so mix 4 servings if you eat 2 of them. Okay, I will have the complete recipe in the comments below that you can print from there and put it in a binder and save it. Also, the Facebook page is called Type 2 Diabetes Support Group if you need help. We also have a recipe group, and that's called Type 2 Diabetes Support Group's Favorite Recipes. If you have any questions, leave in the comments or go to the join one of those 2 groups. There's lots of people over there. It's over 30,000 members now, so there's always someone there to help you. It's a 24/7 page. So if you have any questions again. Zucchini. Okay, I wanted to say about the zucchini. It's not very good if you want to freeze it and save it. I've tried that. And once it's frozen and defrosted, it becomes very mushy. Now, is mushy a word? I think it is, but I think that's probably the best way to describe it. I could also do, I think the zucchini are coming up now in the garden, so I might look for a zucchini bread recipe for next time. Alright, take care. See you guys. Please subscribe and share if these videos are a help to you. Bye for now.